Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general section we have to scroll to find security and lock screen. Then let's tap on the fingerprint. And of course, we've got the information about the fingerprint, so just tap on continue. We will have to set the screen lock. If you've got one currently set, you will be transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now because what? Because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern, pin or password. So I will choose the pattern, let me draw it, redraw it and confirm. Then we have to simply read the instructions and tap on next. Alright, that was the information about the screen protectors. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to simply put our finger on the sensor, which is located under the screen. And now we have to do it multiple times to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Course. Okay, so simply tap on done here. Then we have to decide what we want to show on the on the lock screen, what kind of notification content we want to show. It's up to you, just mark the option. We want to use it to unlock our device, and there we've got the fingerprint settings, kind of. So whether we can decide whether we want to use it to unlock the device. There we've got some not informations, but the animations. So just choose the one you like and set it. I'll choose maybe this one. Just tap on apply. There we've got also the indicator styles. As you can see, we've got really quite nice options to choose from. Maybe this one. Okay, just tap on apply, so the same situation. You can remove the fingerprint you just added. You can also rename it just by tapping on it. It's up to you, and add another, of course. Alright, so let me look at the device. Let's check if it is working. There we've got our sensor, which is good. And after putting my finger on it, you can see the device is unlocked. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.